Ninja Blast leaking at the base? Here's why. Noticing liquid pooling under your Ninja Blast? Let's go over what causes it and how to stop it. 1. Check the max fill line. If you've filled past the line, pressure from blending can force liquid out through the blade assembly. Always leave room for ingredients to move, especially with thick blends. 2. Tighten the blade assembly. If the cup isn't fully twisted into the base, the seal may not be tight. Remove it and reattach, making sure to align the arrows and twist until it locks securely. 3. Inspect the silicone gasket. There's a small gasket under the blade. If it's dirty or slightly out of place, leaks can happen. Carefully remove any buildup using a narrow brush, then reseat the gasket if needed. We've linked a cleaning brush set below that works well in tight spaces. 4. Avoid hot liquids. The Ninja Blast is designed for cold or room temperature blends. Hot liquids can expand and force pressure past the seals. Avoid using anything over 43 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Still leaking? Reach out to Ninja Support using the link in the description. And if you need a better way to clean the gasket area without damaging it, check the brush set we've linked. If this helped solve the leak, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.